What is going on, traders and investors? This is another Webull lesson, some of the Webull Basics. I want to cover these in these quick little couple-minute films just so that you can understand how to use Webull, and maybe it'll influence your decision on downloading it if you haven't done so already. By the way, there's a little link at the bottom. If you click that link, we both get a free stock. It's a win-win. Everybody's happy. So if you're thinking about Webull, definitely click on that link, create the account, and let's fund it. So let's hop right into this Webull app. Bam. So I'm going to click on the top right corner here, the little magnifying glass. This is simply just a search for a stock or a ticker in general. I'm going to look at LABD. I was considering this on Friday. I actually had the order placed and everything, but it did not go through. So because I had it set at a limit and I did not place a market order. It was after hours, and I don't place market orders after hours. So as you can see, there's a big button on the bottom left that says trade. You can click that and it'll bring you to the trade screen where you can buy or sell your stock or ticker, sorry. I know it looks overwhelming at first, but it's really not that complicated. Before I fill this out, I want to show you the second way to get to this screen, and it actually preloads some of the information for you when you do it this way. So, and if you're into setting limit orders, this would be a good way to do it as well. So if you knew what price you wanted to get this at, you can hover your finger, you can press down on the chart and hover to the price that you want to with your finger. And that will create this little buy and sell option on the chart, which is pretty nifty. I wasn't used to that with Robinhood. So I click buy at 1917 and see how it already sets it as a limit. I'll toggle back and forth so you can see where I'm looking at. Market, limit, market, limit. And it toggles it there for you. So it's already on a limit order because we ordered off the chart. And I know I wanted to order 25 of these bad boys. And my limit price was at 1917. It was good till closed. Yes, I wanted extended hours. Now this is the place where it gets a bit more overwhelming. So if you toggle this stop loss take profit, toggle it on, boom, you get loaded up with a bunch of extra information. So you can create a stop price and you can create a take profit order, as they call it. And this is just essentially your stop loss and where you want to take profit. So I'm going to turn my stop loss off because I am confident in my trade, and if it goes down a little bit, I'm okay with that, but I want to be able to cancel it myself. So I'm going to keep this limit price, this take profit order on. I'm going to put it at 1960 because I've done a little research and I think that I'll get good profit there. Take it a little early. No one ever goes broke taking profit early. And that way you can create both trades on the same screen. And if you wanted to create your stop loss, you can create all three at the same time. So if you have a plan for your stock or ticker, you can go ahead and execute the entire plan right here with one order. You have your limit order, your stop loss, and your take profit all at one time. I'm not going to do the stop loss, but let's place the order. And it won't let me right now because this is a Saturday. It's obviously not a business day. But I do have a screenshot of what the chart would look like after you create that type of order. So if we go over here, you can see kind of the zone where your where you want your stock to, where you want your candlesticks to be in. So you can see where it says I have an open buy order at 1917. It has not filled yet. We're just pretending it's still Friday. And I have a sell order so that when the stock or ticker hits 1960, I will go ahead and execute that on its own without me having to even look at it. And it'll say my estimated profit is 1075. Now, if I would have created that stop limit or that stop loss order, there would be a red section below this green section, and it would say estimated loss blank, whatever you calculated your stop loss to be at. So you could kind of see the range where you want to be in, and once the candlestick falls out of that range, one of the two, assuming you've purchased it, one of the two will trigger either your sell for profit or your stop loss. So anyway, I hope that helps, guys. Watch over it a couple times if you need to, this video here, just so you can understand the trade chart, or sorry, the trade order screen. It is a little overwhelming at first, but once you do it a few times, it's smooth as butter. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody, and I hope this influences you to download Webull, tongue twister there. And happy trading, guys. Thanks a lot.